Alright, what's up guys? It's Matchbox Madness here with something a little bit different today. For the most part, I've just done diecast reviews on this channel, but for those of you that don't know, in addition to collecting diecast cars, so Hot Wheels and Matchbox, I also collect Star Wars, kind of Star Wars memorabilia. I'm a huge Star Wars fan, and the majority of that Star Wars merchandise that I get is from the Funko Pop line. And what this is today is the Star Wars Smugglers Bounty blind box. And essentially what it is it's this kind of crate that you can buy from Funko for $25, and it comes with Star Wars memorabilia, so Star Wars figurines, Star Wars shirts, stuff like that. It's really cool. Each box comes every 2 months, and each box has a different theme. This box is Sith. That's why you see Darth Maul here on the front. So I'm really excited to see this and what's inside. I did not receive any spoilers for this box, so I have no idea what's in here. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Alright, gotta just cut this thing open real quick. Alright, got that done. Let's flip it over here. Oh. Flip this up and open. Alright, cool. Cool. Looks like we've got a shirt. Oh, I can already tell I'm excited about this shirt. Let's go ahead and see this shirt. I'm going to take it out of its packaging so we can see what it is. Oh, man. Personally, when it comes to Star Wars, I'm a huge kind of dark side fan. I like stormtroopers and all that kind of stuff. I'm also a fan of Kylo Ren and Darth Vader quite considerably. And, oh man, there it is. It is Kylo Ren looking at Darth Vader, that iconic scene from The Force Awakens. That is absolutely sick. And it looks like he looks like a pop, essentially. So, really happy to see that. And you can see there, it says Star Wars The Force Awakens, I will finish what you started. That's absolutely awesome. That is a sick shirt. Alright. Gonna fold that up, place it off to the side here, and let's see what's next. A straw? Okay. Alright. Next up, we've got a pop, and it is, ooh, check that out. It is Count Dooku. That is awesome. Alright, so personally, I'm not the biggest Count Dooku fan, though he is part of my favorite Star Wars scene from the prequels. I'm not a big prequels fan. I don't like him a lot. But my favorite scene from all 3 prequels films is probably the Anakin, Obi-Wan, Count Dooku duel at the start of Revenge of the Sith. When Anakin kills Count Dooku, that is one of the coolest scenes, I think. So, very cool to see Count Dooku in this box. I don't know if they've made a pop of him yet, but it looks really nice from what I can tell. We'll open that here in a second later. Alright. And it looks like we got one thing here. It's in a cardboard box. I'm going to have to open this up to figure out what it is. Alrighty, this is kind of cool actually. It is a Darth Vader thermos. Let's go ahead and take it out. I guess that's what the straw signified, is we were going to get something like that. But it looks like you get a Darth Vader cup. That's really sick. I don't know if there are anything that you can get anything different in these boxes. If there's any like variations. Sometimes there's like a pop that's 1 of 5, something like that. I don't know if that's going to be the case with anything in this box. So maybe you got a different Sith. But Darth Vader on a thermos, that's really sick. I was going to put the straw in, but I guess I'll do that later. So that's super cool. And I believe there's one last thing in the box here. Let's move this out of the way. Alright, it's a mystery mini, and it looks like it's going to be a Darth Maul. Actually, I lied. There's one other thing in here. Okay, real quick before we get to the mystery mini. It's the pin, and it is Darth Vader. Very cool. So we got a mystery mini in here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Darth Maul's all over the outside of this thing, so I don't know if you'll be getting anything, if there's any other mystery minis here, but personally, I'm My second favorite scene in the prequels is the Obi-Wan Qui-Gon Jinn Darth Maul duel. That's a really cool scene as well. So if I can just get this open, we can take a look at it, but I'm kind of struggling to do that. Okay, coolio. Alright. It comes in a little black blind bag, so if it's not Darth Maul, I'd be shocked. Alright. It's Darth Maul. Alright, coolio. Personally, I don't collect the Mystery Minis lines. I never have. I just do the pops. But that is super, super sick. Look at that thing. That's really cool, actually. It's a bobblehead, right? Yep, a little bit. I don't know if they come off the base. I'm not going to try too hard to take them off. Looks like he doesn't. So, super cool. So, pretty cool box, I have to say, in the end. Some really nice stuff. I'm particularly excited about the shirt. That's probably one of my favorite Star Wars shirts now. Let's go ahead and take Count Dooku out of the box now. Alright. So we got a Mystery Mini. We got a Mystery Mini in the last box, the Jedi box. And then that one we got a Pop Ride, but I don't believe we got a shirt. So it looks like here they've done a shirt instead. Alright. Oh, man. Check this out. Okay, I'm really liking this pop now, actually. Like I said, I wasn't too thrilled to see it was Dooku, but just check out this thing. What I want to show you why I'm really liking it is, look at that cape. It's basically swooshing like he's fighting. That's super sick. They nailed the lightsaber. They got the curve of the lightsaber perfectly, as you can see. He looks really, really good. This is a really nice representation of Count Dooku. And I kind of like how it's more of an action type pose because Count Dooku really is known for his dueling ability. So I like that a lot. All in all, I'm pretty thrilled with this box. We get a Mystery Mini of Darth Maul. We get a Count Dooku pin. We get a Kylo Ren, or a Count Dooku, or, my bad. We get a Mystery Mini Darth Maul, a Count Dooku pop, a Darth Vader pin, a Darth Vader mug, and then a Kylo Ren t-shirt. So basically, with the exception of Emperor Palpatine, every Sith we see in the Star Wars movies is represented. I'm really happy with what I've got. So that's all for now, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.